All right, the drink we're about to make is called Apricot Blush. And we're going to serve this in a rocks glass. Go and fill it up with ice. And measure out 1.5 ounces of brandy. Apricot brandy, to be exact. There's 1.5. And 1.5 ounces of vodka. Now, you don't have to use those exact measurements. It's just going to be equal parts of both ingredients. All right, if you want to give it a little bit of a mix, just shake it a couple times with our little tin shaker here. And give it a straw. And that's it, the Apricot Blush. You'll definitely have a little bit of rosy cheeks after about 5 or 6 of these. So time it out right, and if that's what you want, that's what you'll get. Might also be a nice way to get yourself to sleep at night. I love apricots. Bottoms up.